case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1987, the Supreme Court of the United States heard a case, Asahi Metal Industry Co. v. Superior Court, which focused on the limits of a state's jurisdiction in cases where the defendants have minimal connections to that state. The case involved a Japanese manufacturer, Asahi Metal Industry Co., Limited, being sued for indemnification in a product liability lawsuit after a plaintiff was injured in a motorcycle accident allegedly caused by a defective tire, tube, and sealant. The Taiwanese tube manufacturer, Chengxin Rubber Industrial Company Limited, filed the cross-complaint seeking indemnification from Asahi. Asahi argued that California did not have jurisdiction over them, as they did not intentionally target the California market and had no significant connections, including business presence, advertising, or sales design within the state. The court examined the international context of the case and the minimum contacts Asahi had established within California. Ultimately, the Supreme Court decided that exercising jurisdiction over Asahi in this case would not comply with the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment. The California Supreme Court's judgment was reversed, and the case was sent back for further proceedings consistent with the opinion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.